Welcome to the Stator Explained, where we delve into the types, applications, and critical role of the stator, the unsung hero of the induction motor. We begin with the foundation of induction, understanding this fundamental stationary force that makes the motor work. What is a stator? It is the stationary part of the motor's electromagnetic circuit. Unlike the spinning rotor, the stator remains anchored, creating the rotating magnetic field that induces current in the rotor. The stator's anatomy includes the stator core, made of laminated steel, stator slots for housing the windings themselves, which carry the AC current, and the frame for protection and heat dissipation. Precision materials are essential. Silicon steel laminations minimize eddy current losses. High-grade copper ensures superior conductivity, and Class H insulation protects against shorts and high temperatures. The frame is typically cast iron or aluminum. The stator plays a major role in energy loss. Stator copper loss and magnetic core loss together account for the largest share, highlighting its critical importance in overall motor efficiency. Advancements in stator core materials and winding densities have dramatically improved induction motor efficiency, pushing performance from 80% in 1980 to over 96% today. Next, we explore the diversity of stator configurations, focusing on different types and windings. We contrast single-phase stators, common in residential settings, which require a capacitor to start, with three-phase stators, the industrial standard offering higher starting torque and efficiency for heavy loads. Winding techniques include distributed, which spreads windings for a cleaner magnetic field, concentrated, which is compact but creates more harmonics, and random wound, used for smaller motors without specific orientation. The Hairpin revolution is the EV standard. These windings use solid copper bars to maximize the fill factor, resulting in lower resistance, improved heat dissipation, and a more compact motor footprint. The slot fill factor comparison shows the advantage of hairpin technology. By eliminating air gaps, hairpin winding achieves 80% copper fill, nearly doubling the density of standard round wire windings. The stator is crucial across industrial applications, from providing household comfort in appliances to enabling massive manufacturing through powerful machinery. Stators are integral to various sectors: high-density hairpin stators in automotive EVs, single-phase variable speed stators in HVAC, heavy-duty three-phase motors in manufacturing, and large-scale stators for grid stability and renewables. The history of stator design spans from Nikola Tesla's 1888 patent to the 1920s introduction of steel laminations, the 1990s use of CAD, and today's AI-driven generative design for maximum efficiency. With modern advancements, induction motors can now reach an efficiency benchmark of 96%. This abstract visual represents the powerful magnetic fields generated by the stator. As one engineering principle states, the rotor provides the visible motion, but the stator provides the invisible command of electromagnetism. Durability and thermal management are maintained through active cooling with water jackets, resin impregnation for sealing against moisture and vibration, and rigid housing for mechanical alignment. Thank you for exploring the world of the stator. For more information, please contact us at the email provided.